The reality on the ground, Mr. Chairman, is shocking. It's shocking. In Mullaitivu district, in Kokilai West, in Kokkutodabai North, and in Kokkutodabai South, there is 2,524 acres of land belonging to 601 Tamils. Those are deed as well as permit lands. Deed as well as permit lands. 784 of that 2,524 acres has already been given to Sinhalese people who are not from that area, in violation of the Tamil people's rights. This is happening in Amayan Kulam, Mundrigai Kulam, Samban Kulam, Manalkerni. In these areas, which comprise of nearly 784 acres, Tamil people who have deed land and permit land are not even allowed to enter, because the military is preventing them, and those 784 acres is exclusively being allowed to farm by Sinhalese who never had any say or any rights over that area. The remaining 1,740 acres have been brought under the Mahabali L zone scheme. The Divisional Secretariat of Karaithurapattu had given permission under Circular 2013/1 from the Land Commissioner for the land to be irrigated by the people to whom that land belonged. But the Mahabali Development Authority intervened and has told the people that those lands come under its authority, and that the Divisional Secretary is not entitled to allow the people to go and farm there, and is now putting roadblocks today, to the extent that the Forest Department and the Wildlife Department are cooperating with the Mahabali Development Authority and are not providing any form of assistance for these people to go. They are not allowing mechanized farming gear to be taken to that area. Roads are in a terrible state. There is no transport whatsoever. Farmers taking these long knives to cut through heavy growth because they have not been able to farm are not allowed to take those knives. That is the pathetic situation that is faced. But we are talking today and commending ourselves with regards to the central bank report, when people who have been so poor, who have not been able to farm in these areas because of 30 years of war.
Honourable Member, you have 2 more minutes.
Who are now only trying to begin to start their lives, even now are being prevented. Now this same situation, Mr. Deputy Chairman, I just want to mention the areas. The same situation prevails in Vavuniya North, Nedungani, where you have Maradottai, Patti Kudiyiruppu, Kattukulam, Mannakulam, Puliyankulam North, Kanchura Motte, Vinnangapatti. There are 960 acres again belonging to Tamil people that the military is preventing these people from farming.